Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're getting the error message, Windows could not prepare the computer to boot into the next phase of installation. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix it. Let's get started. First, you need to access the Windows installation screen. To do that, create a Windows installation, USB or DVD, using the official media creation tool from the Microsoft website. Insert the USB or DVD into your computer. Restart your PC. Press your boot menu key. This is usually F12, F10, or Escape, depending on your device. Select your USB or DVD installation media. Once it loads, you'll see the Windows Setup screen. On the Windows Setup screen, click Next. Click Repair your computer. Select Troubleshoot. Click Command Prompt. Now we're going to repair the boot files. Inside Command Prompt, type the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. bootrec/fix mbr. Press Enter. bootrec/fixboot. Press Enter. If you see an error here, you can ignore it. bootrec/scan os. Press Enter. bootrec/rebuild bcd. Press Enter. If prompted, type A. Then press Enter to confirm. Now, close Command Prompt. Select the option to continue to Windows. Your computer should now boot normally, and the installation error should be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.